Dr. Jaffe, there are numerous reports over the many years past that talk about multivitamins increasing the risk of cancer. Recently, there was a study that showed that it may increase cancer by 30%. But what are your thoughts and comments on this aspect, and why are perk nutrients safer to take?
Well, I've known about this issue since I collaborated with the National Cancer Institute in the 1970s. I was informed about this issue in a wink and a nod, which means if you look at the evidence, the more natural products, the more balanced supplements you take, the more you take of nature's form of nutrients that are essential, which means your body has to take them in, it cannot make them, the better. And workalikes tend to not work. Workalikes may be criticized, but the preponderance of the evidence is that if you take quality supplements, you reduce risk of cancer and heart disease and autoimmunity and other chronic illnesses. Now, this doctor is entitled to his opinion. I have reviewed his, quote, evidence, and I find it lacking. I'm sure that he is not going to change his mind, and neither am I, because mine is based on 40 plus years of following this issue since my original work on occult blood testing as a colon cancer screening tool. So I have seen many articles that basically say take none a day and you have risk based on opinion and not fact. And frankly, while we always need more and better studies, the evidence in regard to cancer and heart disease and autoimmunity and chronic illness is that if you supplement as part of a healthy lifestyle, you reduce risk, you don't increase risk. And I could get into many hours of why there is such a profound misunderstanding of the benefits of antioxidants in people at risk of cancer or who have cancer. And I will mention Abram Hoffer's landmark work, which he published with Linus Pauling, showing that people who had cancer did better if they combined chemotherapy with a nutrient lifestyle supplementation program. So whether you want to reduce risk or you want to deal with the best outcome results from a chronic illness, nature's pharmacy, nature's alkaline way, nature, nurture, and wholeness are the basis on which we develop Perk LifeGuard and the other Perk products, including Perk Potency Guard, and the entire line of Perk products is based on following physiology and not trying to fool Mother Nature with a kind of pseudo-pharmacology. So I understand that there are more and more articles that cast a shadow or a doubt on dietary supplements, and I'm happy to review the details if anyone wants more detail. But the bottom line is nature and nature's forms of nutrients, when combined in physiologic forms, like Perk LifeGuard, like all the Perk products, we survey the global literature, we understand the biochemistry, and we understand the production. Because very often, a supplement can be damaged in production. So if you want to know the facts, the risk is reduced if you take quality supplements. And I have, and I recommend, and my family has benefited from these kinds of Perk quality supplements.